In my previous video I made ESP32 OTP based door system. I have stored the admin number in program in previous video. If you want to change the admin number, I need to re-upload the program. It was very difficult for my customers. So I used Wi-Fi signal to change the admin number anytime by pressing push button to go admin change mode. After connecting with Wi-Fi, it will show the IP address in LCD. Open browser and enter this IP address. It will show the admin number change page. Enter your new admin and click Save button. So your new admin number will be saved in ESP32. Press the push button to send OTP to your registered mobile number. In this project, I have stored admin number in program. Enter the OTP using 4x4 matrix keypad. After entering the OTP, press D button. If you enter correct OTP, door will be opened and after 5 seconds, it will be closed automatically. Open Library Manager. Install the required libraries. Install ESP Software Serial Library. Because ESP32 will not work with software serial. This library will support for software serial. Install I2C LCD library. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board.